Today, we're going to show you how to get started with the Specdrums Mix app, a brand new app from Sphero that lets you mix artist-curated loops, beats, and samples using Specdrums rings and the world around you. Now you're ready to drop some beats. By default, the colors are calibrated to the playpad that comes in the box. Tap each color with your ring on the playpad and see the corresponding colors light up in the app. To play your world, you can tap any colored object, and the closest color will be recognized in the app.
The problem with UV rays is by the time you realize you're getting burned, it's already too late. Sun exposure is a massive problem. It causes 86% of melanoma cancers and prematurely ages your skin. 2 years ago, we created My UV Patch as essentially the first step of a major campaign to understand the UV exposure of our consumers. It made a huge impact. People who wore it started applying a lot more sunscreen and spending a lot less time in the sun. But we didn't stop there. We thought it could be smaller, look better, and last longer. Working together, we took the technology to the next level and came up with a completely new way to integrate it onto the body by shrinking it down to the size of a thumbnail. UV Sense is the first of its kind, a battery-free wearable electronic that measures UV. It's 9mm long, its sensor is UV activated, and its capacitor can store 3 months of data. You can't see it happening, but the UV Sense communicates with your phone to track your levels. Together, we're building products and experiences that can help people live better, safer, and healthier lives.
It's time to PICO. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you.
This pandemic has taught us a lesson. Viral particles, allergens, and pollutants in the air greatly impact our health. How can we protect ourselves and our families and friends in this new normal? Introducing the first portable air purifier that doesn't sacrifice effectiveness for portability. We call our solution bipolar ion tech. You can call it fresh air. Our tiny device uses a two-step process. First, it releases positive and negative ions into the air. Second, it spreads them out with a tiny fan. Once airborne, these ions seek out and break down any airborne contaminants in its way. The positive and negative ions induce a chemical reaction that extracts hydrogen from contaminants to break them down and turn them into harmless H2O particles. Simply put, no bacteria and viruses where you breathe. It can cover an area 3 times wider than most common wearable purifiers. We made it super light, weighing only 85 grams, so you can easily wear our purifier wherever, whenever. On a full charge, it can last up to 10 hours. The sleek, minimalistic design and color options and accessories are a perfect match for any outfit. The QUAIR Plasma Mini is just the thing you need. If you have respiratory issues or allergies, live in a busy urban environment, frequent crowded places, or just want an added layer of protection when you're out and about, our device is for everyone concerned with the state of their health, which in this crazy day and age, may be all of us. Cleaner air everywhere you go. QUAIR.
Don't just listen to your music, experience it with TIVOO Max, a better kind of Bluetooth speaker that connects your world and showcases your style on top of earth-moving sound. Create and display GIFs, animations, and other graphics on a panel with 256 programmable LEDs in 16 million colors. Never miss an alert with a dazzling notification center. Match TIVOO Max to your personality and let the world see your style. Upload your creations to the TIVOO Pixel Art Gallery. And share your work with pixel art fans around the world. And enjoy better sleep with TIVOO Max's alpha wave white noise tracks and soothing light waves. Don't let your Bluetooth speaker be a black spot in your life. Light up your audio with TIVOO Max.